Hey guys, today we're going to be going over this problem. In the figure above, the point W3 lies on the diagonal, which is not shown, that connects points A and B of the rectangle. What is the value of W? So, first off, what I like to do is, in the problem, well, let's reread the problem. It says, in the figure above, the point W3 lies on the diagonal, which is not shown. So this is actually a key word here that you're going to want to make sure that you immediately know what to do when you see this word, not shown. So immediately we know that, okay, whatever the diagonal is that connects points A and B is not shown in this diagram. So what we can actually do is go ahead and draw that in so we know, okay, that's the diagonal that they're referring to. And we also know that there's a point, the x value of this point is actually unknown. And we know that because the coordinate is x comma y. So the y value is 3. So what we can actually do is go ahead and interpret, okay, y value is 3. So this is going to be where our point is. And what we're trying to find is this x value here. That corresponds to the value of 3 on the y-axis. So we're trying to find the value of w. So let's go ahead and figure out how we're supposed to approach this problem. Well, what I would do is, okay, so we know that the diagonal is a line, and we know that the equation for a line is equal to y is equal to mx plus b. And well, then we assess, okay, what are our known values, and what values can we easily find from this problem that is given to us. So what I would do is notice, okay, well, we need 2 points, or at least 1 point. So we actually are given 2 points, the point A and point B. Point A being 2, 1, 2, point A being 2, 1, and point B being 3, 4. So we actually know 2 points, and 2 points, well, think about it, that's what we need to find the slope, m. So what we can actually do is calculate the slope of this line. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, well, okay, we know that slope is equal to rise over run, which is the difference in the y's over the difference in the x's. So what we can do is the y value of b, which is 4, minus the y value of a, 1, over the x value of b, 3, minus the x value of a, 2. So from this, we can get that the slope is equal to 3 over 1, or just 3. So that is our m value, or the slope. And so what's the next unknown that we need to find? Well, we actually already know y and x values, because any point, we know that the points 3, 4 and 2, 1 are both on this diagonal line. So knowing that information, we can actually solve for b, which is the y-intercept. So we can plug in either one of the points. So let's go with 3, 4. So the y value of b, 4, 4 is equal to m, which we just calculated, 3, is equal to 3 times x, which is our w, or not our w, our 3 here, plus b. So then we do 4 is equal to 3 times 3, 9, plus b, and we can gather that b is equal to -5. Okay, so now we have both our slope and our y-intercept. And let's look again at the problem. What we're trying to find is the point that is on W3. So that means that we're trying to find the x value, but we know the y value. So we can actually now just simply plug in the values into our equation. So we have the y value 3 is equal to m, which is the slope 3, times x, which is what we're trying to find, this w, plus b, which in this case is -5. So then we can continue with our algebra skills, and we can get that 8 is equal to 3w. Whoops, that looks like an 8. Then what we can do is simply divide both sides by 3, and we get that w is equal to 8 over 3. So the point for w would, the point that lies in the diagonal with the y value of 3 would be 8 8 over 3 comma 3. Thanks so much for watching.